Well, I'm Jagendra Rana. So I'll discuss today National Health Claims Exchange. National Health Claims Exchange. India's health insurance landscape has undergone a significant transformation in recent years. This progress is driven by new regulatory reforms, increased awareness, and technological advancements. So, India's health insurance landscape has undergone a significant transformation because of these latest developments. On one hand, the insurance regulator, that is IRDA, has introduced measures to enhance transparency and standardized policies. On the other hand, the government's Ayushman Bharat scheme has expanded coverage to millions of vulnerable families. So the pandemic COVID-19 that broke out 4 years ago further accelerated the adoption of telemedicine and highlighted the importance of health insurance. Insurers have diversified product offerings to include critical illness, disease specific, and wellness focused plans. The group health insurance provided by employers has grown, contributing to an uptick in overall coverage. However, despite all these progresses, the traditional claim process, known for its paperwork and delays, remained a bottleneck. So the claim process has been a paradox to the health insurance industry. The current system is cumbersome with claims processing taking weeks or even months. But this creates a stressful situation for both policyholders and hospitals. Though there are attempts to address the critical issues, it remained a stumbling block. With the advent of digital tools, insurers have strived to pave the way for a smoother claim experience. Now, what is NHCX? So, recognizing these challenges, the IRDAI has taken significant steps to improve the cashless claims process. And the introduction of National Health Claim Exchange, that is called NHCX, and the Master Circular on Health Insurance mark critical milestones in this journey. These initiatives aim to standardize claim procedures, ensure timely settlement, and foster transparency. So the NHCX will serve as a centralized platform for the exchange of information and quick decisions. It will not only streamline the claim process but also reduce the scope for discrepancies and frauds. So the exchange is a routing switch. Today, health insurance faces significant challenges in ensuring proper and efficient claim service, which leads to delay in discharge and hospitals struggling to understand health insurance products and protocols. This lack of clarity between hospitals and insurance companies erodes trust and confidence in the insurance system for policyholders. So, due to this NHCX, The smooth claim experience will be there. It will reduce waiting time for approval during discharge from hospitals. And the availability of electronic health records can help doctors make faster decisions in medical management. As far as hospitals are concerned, the single unified portal they'll find instead of multiple portals. More hospitals willing to get empaneled can help regulators' objectives of 100% cashless settlement. There will be ease in tracking payments and delays. The better insurance services with optimal manpower will be provided. And the timely service will help making hospitals beds available for critical patients during emergencies such as epidemic and pandemic. Insurers are also going to be benefited through this action because timely service, customer satisfaction, fraud prevention, cost reduction, and elimination of friction between payer and provider will be there. So the focused processes, lower operating expenses, and better consumer contentment can lead to higher penetration of insurance. An increase in health insurance adoption is likely if a great number of individuals get to experience the ease of the claim making process. So in turn expanding universal health coverage. In the initial phase, both the hospitals and insurance companies might face teething problems in aligning with the new directives. So inconsistent data management system, varying administrative practices, and resistance to change are notable hurdles. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. The IRDAI's initiatives are designed to bridge the gap, providing a framework for hospitals to transition smoothly to digital mechanisms. Training programs, financial incentives, and collaborative efforts between insurers and healthcare providers can facilitate this transition, ensuring that the benefits of digital claim processing are realized across the board. Now, insurance companies should be the first to initiate efficient cashless claim payment methods by adopting technology. The advanced claim management system using artificial intelligence and machine learning can automate pre-authorization, detect fraud, and speed up approvals. It will be prudent for insurers to invest in learning programs that enables their personnel as well as healthcare partners to understand how to use digital platforms. Creating a specialized desk for assistance plus customer services team can ensure a smoother and faster settlements. So the National Claim Health Exchange is a revolutionary step towards a more efficient, transparent, and patient-centered healthcare system. By working together, regulators, insurers, and healthcare providers can leverage technology to unlock the full potential of cashless claim processing, ultimately contributing to the vision of insurance for all by 2047. So National Health Claim Exchange is there to simplify healthcare and claims for consumers and insurers. Say the person, a middle-aged IT professional, went through a major surgery a few months ago. Even as he was struggling with his recovery, he had another thing that kept worrying him, filing his insurance claim. So since he got this surgery done at the network hospital, because his preferred doctor worked there, he had to file a reimbursement claim within 30 days of his discharge. So he found himself entangled in paperwork and multiple phone calls. Each step fought with apprehension. In fact, the process even involved a couple of visits to the hospital to get some documentation. Now, he is not alone. Many policyholders have to go through a great deal of inconvenience. Even in case of cashless claim due to the multiple round of communication between their insurer and the hospital. All this, however, would soon be a thing of the past as the National Health Authority and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India have collaborated to come up with a groundbreaking digital platform that is set to revolutionize the health insurance sector in the country. Not just this, the operations have already started with the first ever claim being processed through the National Health Claim Exchange portal. And now policyholders can digitally track their status and get better transparency and visibility into their claims. Yes, even if they get treated in a non-network hospital. This seamless, efficient and stress-free process is what the National Health Claim Exchange aims to achieve. No need for excessive paperwork or repeated follow-ups. To put it simply, National Health Claim Exchange is going to be a single window interface between policyholders, hospitals and health insurance companies. So this single window interface is expected to replace the current system, which traditionally relied on manual paperwork and required a lot of effort from policyholders and the hospitals. Under the new system, a common digital standard format will be used to file the claim irrespective of the insurance company. Moreover, NHCX will facilitate the exchange of health claim information between all stakeholders in a completely digital way. The system will not only be interoperable but also machine readable and verifiable. So the vision behind NHCX is simple yet path-breaking. It aims at standardization and interoperability of health claims through a seamless exchange of data, documents and images between the insurers and the healthcare providers. So this is expected to lead to transparent and efficient claim processing, resulting in convenience for the policyholders and reduced operational costs related to claim processing for the insurer. So first and foremost, the NHCX will benefit consumers tremendously. It is expected to drastically reduce the waiting time for claim approvals. In fact, the IRDAI has recently mandated that all cashless claims would need to be cleared within 3 hours. So this would be possible due to automation and standardization of the claim process. Moreover, by facilitating a seamless and quick exchange of health information between all stakeholders, this NHCX would also make it possible to have claims serviced in a cashless manner in non-network hospitals. So this is yet another welcome move by the IRDAI to promote customer centricity and insurance. Then NHCX would also substantially reduce manual paperwork by facilitating digitization of claims and health records from AVA-IDs. So this would lead to better communication between the insurer and the consumer and result in reduced uncertainty and anxiety for the patients. So for insurance companies and healthcare providers, NHCX would mean a consistent and uniform platform for the exchange of health information. Automation of claim processing through the exchange would reduce the need for manual adjudication, saving time and resources. This can reduce administrative burdens and lower costs for insurers and consumers alike. So with advanced data analytics capabilities, NHCX can help insurers better understand market trends, consumer behavior, and risk factors. The data-driven approach to claims would also result in the accuracy of claims processing through more accurate pricing models, better risk management, and improved customer service. Moreover, the standardized data will make it easier to detect and prevent fraudulent claims. So this will also help insurers stay compliant with the evolving regulations by providing up-to-date information and tools for managing compliance requirements. This is a step that would also encourage innovations in product offering and service delivery. This will make way for the development of the new insurance product and features that better meet the needs of consumers. Around 33 big health insurance companies have joined the National Health Claim Exchange or National Health Claim NHCS, a centralized platform developed by government to exchange insurance claims related information. So until now, this exchange has occurred via multiple platforms, leading to increased processing time. The NHCX use government sources will not only expedite the insurance claims process, but it will also make the whole process transparent. As the IRDA, the top insurance regulatory body of the country, will have access to the claim settlement status in real time. So the NHCX platform is a single window digital platform developed by the National Health Authority and the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare as part of the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. So think of it as a gateway for exchanging claim-related information among various players involved in the claim processing, including payers, that is insurers, third-party administrators, government scheme administrators, and providers, that is hospitals, laboratories, and policy clinics, beneficiaries, and other relevant entities at one place. So citizens will also be able to see the status of their insurance claim through the mobile, which has developed the centralized platform. Some companies have already started processing claims via the NHCX on a time basis, and an official launch of the platform along with all features has been done. So recently, HDFC Ergo reportedly processed its first claim through NHCX, which the NHA has developed in collaboration with the IRDAI. This NHCX in its current form does not intend to regulate the business. Still, the costs generated from the digital platform can certainly be used to devise system to be added to the platform to prevent malpractices such as refusal to accept a claim on unjust grounds. So patients who visit a hospital for treatment provide their insurance policy details or a card issued by the third-party administrator or insurance company. So the hospital then accesses the claim processing portals of prospective players and uploads the required documents for the pre-authorization or claim approval process. So on receipt of the pre-authorization claim form, the insurance company or third-party administrator authenticates and digitizes the form using their internal claim processing portal. So the relevant team then adjudicates the claim. Often patients keep waiting throughout the day for this process to be completed, leading to delay in discharge from hospitals and additional room rent charges. So with the National Health Claim Exchange, they can monitor the progress of claim settlements. It's a major relief. Thank you very much.